Hello guys, have a good day. So, start na po ang Ramadan natin. Today is the first day of Ramadan. So, Ramadan Kareem mga katits. So, fasting na. Mag-start na po tayo ng fasting today. So, good luck sa mga, mga nanis na katulad ko. Maraming work sa kusina. But anyway guys, for today's video, gagawa po ako ng jelly with cream. So, ito po ang aking mga gamit. Ito po ang need ko sa lulutuin natin. Hindi pala siya luluto. Gagawin lang siya, di ba? Dessert. Okay. I have biscuits here. Yan. So, Dream Whip. And I have jelly. Gelatin dessert cherry. Ang kinuha ko kasi masarap siya eh. Ang gusto nila. And I have Nutella. And I have cream. And of course, manigo powder. So, let's start. Now, guys. I-mix po muna natin ang ating cream. So, I have now here 3 tablespoons of manigo powder. Then, I will use 1 sachet only of Dream Whip kasi kunti lang naman po ang ko. 4 glass lang po siya, guys. Depende po sa nyo, sa gagawin nyo. Ayan, I have only 1 sachet. Then, gagawin din po ako ng 1 can of cream. Ayan, ito po ang ginagamit ko na cream. So, 1 can lang po siya, guys. Oh, medyo siya kasi nilagay ko siya sa ref. Dapat ilabas ko siya para hindi siya Ayan. Uy. Dapat may mixer, guys, para i-mix muna natin ito ng maayos. Lagyan po natin siya ng konting tubig, guys, ha, para maging siya, hindi malapot. So, yung water. Yeah, dagdagan natin ng konting water. Yes, let's add little water. Okay. And mix. So, I need blender for this. My blender is carbon. Ayan. So, wait lang. Mix lang. So, just mix this one, okay? Just mix it good. Just add little water pag ayan, konti lang. Ayan. Just mix it properly. Ayan, mix it good. Mato, you want to go outside, Mato? Mato. Yes, okay. Just mix it properly. Then, if it's already good, just add it. Oh, okay, sorry. We need to add first biscuit here. Okay. I have already, guys, jelly. Last night, I prepared the jelly. So, when it's already hard, the jelly, we will start putting the toppings now, guys. So, we will put first the biscuit. One by one. Okay, yes. Then add the cream. Okay. Oh, somebody come. Just add the cream. Yes, like that. spread it properly. Okay. Spread, spread, spread. Okay. Then now we will have to put the Nutella up. I'll finish it with Nutella. So I don't throw the sachet for the Dream Whip. I will use it. This one I will use for how? Ano to English? Go on. Okay. Basta ito gagamitin ko na siya, guys. Hindi ko na siya tinapon. Kasi para wala din ako magugas-hugas ng ano. Mayroon din naman ako dyan gamit para pang ano, pang design. Kaso, simpleng ano lang naman eh. Just, I need to put a little Nutella up. Pero kung marunong po kayo mag-design, guys, mag-drawing dyan sa taas ng ano. So, you can do your own design. At ako hindi naman marunong. Ay, sorry na. Hold on. So, I just put a little bit Nutella up. Just spread it like this. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Okay. Like that, like that, like that. Okay. So, as simple as that, guys.